To be continued. You, all of you, get to work. Thank you. It's way better being in that urinal box than... yeah, I'd rather work. Because working for you is just awesome. Yeah, guess what? I set up the memorial statue for you already. I don't know how, but it's over there. It's pretty bad, so very sad about that. But it's our team killing your other person. So, I mean, you could kill me, but I wouldn't say do that because, you know, that's actually a pretty bad mistake. And they'd try killing you, but since you're a god, they could just go up and you come back down to the ground. So, yeah. I wouldn't try killing me, please. Please don't, I beg. Well, the memorial statue is right here. Now, you can go and look. Yeah, that's very brutal, but there are statues. Oh, no, that one's not a statue. Because he's missing. That is actually my real friend. F-ball, not fireball. The F did stand for fire. I mean, I could be a carpet and lay down like this for you in your little house. So you don't step on any urine in there. I mean, I don't know if that was your house. Probably wasn't. I mean, yeah. So, you really think that's my house? I can fly. Dude, look. What? I didn't, what? Come up. Ah. This is my house, dog. This is my house. That's pretty cool. No. I can fly. You realize that. Oh. It's not fair. I can fly. Yeah, but I didn't give you any powers. You didn't? Let me see. Fireball! I did. He tricked you. Oh my god, I have fireballs. Because of him. Yeah, okay. Well, this is real good. Because now we can hang out together. You know what? I have an idea. Where'd he go? I just came down from there. I'm a hellhound. And now we can eat them. That's just kind of a cannibal. I'm a hellhound, so it's not really cannibal for me. It's cannibal for you, but well, I'm a god. They're not really a god, but okay, I'll eat them. Where's the dinner plate? I'll go and get it. This is gonna be my plate. It's huge. Yeah, I'll get the dinner. First meal. And then we got these two guys. And him. Okay, looks like bon appetit. Hold on, I need to put them back on. They're falling. But how are they falling? I don't know. I'm going to eat this orange one. Okay, that was very tasty. I'm just going to eat this one because, you know, I don't know. But, wait, no, I eat this one because the little, I'm just going to eat it. Let me eat it. Okay, that was it, and I guess you can eat it. Okay, I'll take it. Okay, the dinner plate's gone. Well, I don't know. Because... Okay, he's dead. Sorry if that was your favorite character. Pronouncing his name was Scarra. Memorial statues. We have Rocky with Scarra. We have Grandpa Dog against F-Ball. Move that statue from there. Actually, no. I moved that statue right there, what you're looking at. I moved the statue from there to there. And, of course, I lead down to one person standing. If you guys like that, I don't know, movie? Yeah, I guess it was a movie. We did 5 episodes of it. If you guys want me to continue more, please comment down below. I don't know if you guys have realized, but my hair doesn't go this way anymore. It used to go this way, so I'm just putting it this way. And I had to do this all before school. And last video, I forgot Pack-a-Punch. 3, 2, 1, Pack-a-Punch. Comment down below. And first comment, 5 random stuff. It depends on how big the box is. I mean, I think I know what my next Pack-a-Punch box is. It's this Skittles box. I know it's miniature, but it's micro. So those are probably one of the smallest micro Pack-a-Punch boxes that you can get. And yeah, that is the end of the movie. Keep it up, guys. Let's get 1,000 likes on this. At least 50. At least 50. And soon, if we get 50 likes, 50, then I will continue the movie. You can see what happens next by 50 likes. But I'm not going to do it. I mean, there's only one person standing. I mean, we could have... What were their names? We could have... Rocky's sister, which was the lightning god, and yeah, we could have the lightning god come back, and we could also have the water god come back and battle him. Maybe he could bring back the Hellhound, aka Scary. But that'll be it for this video. I gotta announce Pack-a-Punch from a few videos ago. One of the soccer videos, vlog part, I think, 42? Yeah, I think. Ethan Selby, he always wins it. And, yeah. Ethan Selby won. Give it to him now. Have it already set up for him. And that'll be it for this video. Just wanted to say all that. Stars, just me, because I had to do loads of cutscenes. And it has to be like this. That's how it was. So yeah, if you guys like that video. Let's try getting 50 likes to keep up this movie. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.